Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, what's up, guys? This is Pro Wolf Trader. You're watching a live stream in New York session. Today is 11 February. Yes. Where the hell were you, Pro Wolf Trader? I was busy, man. Hell busy. Things been really going smooth. Charts are moving really fast. I'm short on staff. Next to no staff at all. And now all the work is on my burdens and I'm loving it. Couldn't find my time to stream actually. All I was doing was working, eating and sleeping, and in between going for walks and going out for fresh air. Let's see what's moving the market today. We have Powell testimony today, and besides that, Donald Trump gave his speech some hours ago and spoke regarding tariffs, and now we all are waiting for Powell and all those nasty words that's gonna come out from his mouth is gonna move the market as of now. 6:50 p.m. my local time, and whatever time that is according to your time zone. Gold is moving upwards as previously was last seen near all-time high at 29.42. Let's open the market sessions. This is exactly what I'm talking about. I forgot to post the link, I guess. Hold on a second. Some people, not some, majority of the people, they will never come and let's post it because they don't know, and I don't know what the problem is. But we are seeing huge movements, and this is more of like sell the rumor and buy the fact. Bitcoin is also dropping. Today we have a AI Tech Summit going on, and a couple of people were talking about AI stuff. None spoke regarding crypto. Everybody had concerned about AI and its implementations on human, and how it's going to replace the job and its security threats and challenges and all those nice fancy stuff, and mostly people are like, hey, tell me the important part where we make money. Well guess the important part is the entire conversation. You have to review that again. Gold dropped down, but now I think it was a minor retracement. If I draw the Fibonacci from Tokyo high to New York low, we have an area of concentration. We can use it to enter a buy. This is a educational advice. I would say that I twice took a buy and got slapped on the face, but it was worth it because since now I'm on a buy from 28, 82, 81, 80, whatever these areas are, all my buy limits, definitely recovered all that money, plus I'm in profit. So hopefully as soon as the hour gets near, when the Powell is going to start his testimony, we're going to see volatility in the market. Yes, he's going to talk about rate cuts. Yes, I know right now there are lots of factors that are moving the market. Number one is tariffs. Okay, second is Fed rate cut. All right, and then we have all hell loose, which is basically Gaza. Trump said that he has given some time, like if all hostages are not released, he's gonna, all hell is gonna lose on Gaza. And I don't know what that means. He said to the press, to the press that you guys are gonna find it out. So we all have to look forward to it, but nothing is gonna be good. Plus the AI, deep sea AI, investors concerned, stock market falling, safe haven. I mean, there are lots of things. These are all the things. I'm sorry. And FOMO buying, China buying, I mean there are several factors, not just one. These are all the reasons that the gold price went up, and right now we saw a drop. Why was this drop concluding? There was no news in the Tokyo session. This was just a technical drop, and yes, I was aware of this drop. I figured out there was a normal bearish divergence on 4 hourly over here, and but I don't know. Oh yeah, that 4 hourly divergence was on this zone, but it just pumped up and it dropped. It seems like you can figure out the divergence, but it will go in a certain way in a really strong momentum and then do what it's supposed to do. But by the time you realize what's happening, you'll wanna miss it. So you have to sit on the hot seat and take those entries. Currently, right now, exactly over here at this area, if you guys are familiar with divergence, I need you guys to go on your 4 hour time frame and use whatever indicator that you use for finding divergence. I'm using a Scotch, and I can see on a 4 hourly that there is a normal bullish divergence forming. Now, how we can utilize the normal bullish divergence on 4 hour and use it on a 5-minute time frame for our entry is that's up to you. You can either use Fibonacci or you can go use volume profile. If I apply volume profile, I can see a huge sell was triggered around 29.18. And the exact same area, we can definitely say that, yeah, let's talk about Bitcoin right now. The reason Bitcoin is dropping today is because there's an AI summit and nothing good came out. And even Donald Trump gave his press conference. He did not mention anything except tariffs, and that is putting a pressure on the Wall Street. Nasdaq 100 was seen last time dropping, and it will actually carry on the downward momentum. We made profits earlier on as much as possible, and so Nasdaq 100, we took the opportunity and we bought it, but now it seems like everything will drop. There's a reason for that, and if you want a deeper understanding, all you need to do is keep watching, because you will not understand everything in 5 minutes. You have to come here every day, watch the live stream. Okay, here's the stuff. Right now, Because of tariffs, gold is going up, but stock market is dropping, and utilizing that we can make money on Nasdaq and Bitcoin. But also at the same time we have to be really careful, because Bitcoin is in a sideways range since last 2 weeks, and we haven't seen any buy momentum coming from the crypto boys, and they are present over here as seen from these candles. They did try to push above 100k, but they got rejected earlier on, and the last time they were seen at 95,000, rejecting a downward sell momentum. Going on a daily time frame, we will understand how they're moving within the structure, and currently this is a downward trend. Now this is really sketchy, but I call it a bubble, and I'm calling this as a dump, or more of a black swan event, which is already triggered but is delayed. It's like a torpedo is slowly heading towards its target, but you can't hear it coming. There is no, it's just silent. This is a torpedo and is sinking. In short, this is a ship which is sinking slowly, but before it will sink, it will try to merge up, come on the surface. But it seems like right now is the perfect time. There are several situations that are supporting. DeepSeek, stocks falling, tariffs, China, what do you call, China stuff with Apple and Nvidia. If you are familiar with how China is intervening Nvidia and opening props in Apple and China, what do you say, Nvidia, plus what was that other thing, yeah, Canada, Mexico, EU, even UK. He is disrupting everything, and right now if businesses who own these entities, these so-called EFTs or whatsoever, if they get hurt, Bitcoin will get hurt, and we will find it out after 28 minutes as soon as the stock market opens. Although Nvidia did erase this earlier losses and is on a 5-day streak, upward momentum, but it hasn't been able to push Bitcoin up. And earlier on I said this Magnificent Seven, these 7 companies were yet alone responsible for the 2-year-long bullish momentum streak on S&P 500, and that is varying down. That they are running out of juice. I don't know how many people follow this, but it seems that's how it is. Coming back to how everything is, let's remove let's just keep this. So here it is. By the way guys, hit the like button. I'm looking forward to 500 subscribers by the end of this week. Help me hit the target, and then we are gonna go in a nice momentum. So that's how it is. All we have to now do is like wait Trump is gonna start his speech after an hour. Powell testimony is gonna start, and the testimony can go on for an hour or two. And if he doesn't say anything nice regarding regarding the economy, something which pushes the dollar upward, then they are in a trouble. Dollar might start dumping as soon as his testimony starts, because right now we have two forces in the market. The number one force is Donald Trump, the second force is Powell, and I'm not looking at something nice coming out of Powell. Powell is gonna say all those things that's gonna push the market up, especially gold, given the situation we are in. The only way to come out of this situation is talking about some stuff that pushes the stock market up, and when the stock market is gonna go up, the Bitcoin is gonna go up, and when both of them are bullish, of course, gold is also gonna be bullish. Why? Because dollar is gonna be losing its value, since investors are gonna run to safe haven assets because of tariffs and all those nasty stuff that Trump has invited. Hit the like, guys. I'm not gonna, from now onwards, I'm not gonna ask you guys for liking and subscribing or forwarding because I'm tired. You guys need to understand. Anyways, I'm just gonna focus on the work because time is running out. So we are almost about 2900 again. It should not be surprising, given that we went all the way up to 2942, which is all-time high. And if you want to understand how we made up till there, one simple answer for that: FOMO buying. And the only way to stay profitable in this market is, when the gold is dropping, just wait till the New York opens up, and when you see that 1 hourly candle turn into bullish, just buy it, buy and forget, and you never have to close that buy. Just keep it running for a day or two. After that, put it on break even, and then if after a week or two you won't bag in heavy bucks, you come here and you start talking shit on with me, and I say, okay, I was wrong. Nope. Again, I said above 2900 we are into uncharted territory, and if it goes above 2900, who the hell is the market to stop them? This is there right now. We have clear FOMO buying. I said again twice over here, I tried to get into a buy. I knew it's gonna push up, but at the same time I spotted a divergence over here which got triggered late. It pushed the price up, then the bearish divergence triggered, and that short sell was short-lived, and now it's just heading up. And if it goes and near Tokyo all-time high, I won't be surprised, because Powell testimony is gonna start, and as soon as it starts, all we gonna see, we might even hit 3000 today. So that's how it's gonna be. And I'll be streaming live. I'm here sitting till the end of Powell testimony. So let's see how much you guys can make money today. Stock market is having a bad day. No, they're just gonna learn a lesson today. The only thing that's gonna go up is gold. Everything else gonna fall. Everything else gonna fall. Understand that, and you'll understand what to do. And I think today is net gas, right? Wait a second, because there were people also messaging me. No, net gas is on Thursday. Today we just have FOMC members speaking and Powell testimony. Bank of Japan is holiday. Oh yeah, that's the reason the USD JPY is pumping, because there is a bank holiday on BOJ. What do you guys think is gonna happen? Type in the chat what do you guys think is gonna happen as soon as the Powell testimony starts. I expect some nice stuff. I have all my reasons to buy gold. You need a reason, and besides that, there are several factors over here. One thing's for sure. Today is not for the weak. Today the day is not for the weak-hearted. It's only for the strong individuals who can take it. Again, I'm saying today is not for the weak-hearted. 3000. So yeah, I'm on short on time. As soon as Powell is done speaking, I will leave immediately because I have lots of work to do. So you guys need to understand. If you are here, ask me a question. 2900. We are above 2900. That's a good thing. We don't need to worry about anything now. If you guys were able to grab onto a buy somewhere around 2882, you don't need to worry now. Let that trade run. You already are in like a lot making profit right now. Just wait till the testimony starts and a huge buying pressure will kick in. It's crazy, right? Yep. What do you think will happen? There is tariffs, and at the same time Fed is trying to do its thing, and Trump is like tariff this, tariff that. So of course gold will go up. I was thinking Biden is going, gold is gonna drop, but Donald Trump had something else in his mind. As soon as he came in, all he is talking about is tariff, and before the election all he was talking about was making crypto strategic reserves and this and that, and it's been like almost a month, no, almost 21 days, and all he's talking about is tariffs on China, Mexico, Europe, UK. He can't just sit down and decide. Yeah, he's doing a lot of nice stuff too, but at the same time he's doing a lot worse than Biden, like intervening in Gaza. He's like gonna take in the entire Gaza. It's insane, right? Make a real estate property over there, like a private sector kind of a like US owned. What the hell is his thing is gonna happen after that? I know the Arab countries, they are not doing shit, they aren't gonna do shit. Those are not Arabs anymore, they are something else. can't say, can't talk openly about them, but if this was the 14 or 1500 century, they would not even exist. But we live in a different time. We live in an end of days. Let's keep it what do you say, serious. We got into politics, nothing's gonna come out, so let's just keep it stable till the what do you say, profits. On a 5 minutes, this is a possible a smoochie is pullback, but we have a long way to go. New 15-minute candle is up, and this also looks bullish. So just keep printing the money. And here we have, if we talk about a upward trend, I don't know what's happening with the charts, but here it is. Here I drew this chart over here, and just after 44 minutes we're gonna get a wait a second, yeah, we're gonna get a 4-hourly candle. Okay, which one? Wait a second. Yeah, it is bullish. Monthly candle is bullish. This is the reason we are going upwards. I mean, looking at 2 months ago, Goldman Sachs saying that it's gonna hit 3000 was looked unbelievable, unrealistic. But now, since we are almost about 2940, this is uncharted. I even read an article, yeah, you are right, I even read an article saying that at the end of this year we might even see gold about 3500. So who is to be blamed then? What if we get as close as to $3,800 or $4,000? Then the kind of impact it's gonna have on the global market. The biggest buyer is China, after that is India. The weddings take places over there. People buy it as safe haven. You know how the market is going to be impacted? The amount of people that are converting their profits on Bitcoin into physical assets like gold, and then these gold prices going up. The thing is that if gold becomes expensive, only those who bought it at a cheaper rate are gonna make profit, but that profit is next to useless. Why? Because everything else is gonna become expensive at the same time. So if you think that by making profits on gold they're gonna increase their life and make their lifestyle better, that profit is like a stagflation situation. Everything, car, automobiles, mobile phones, real estate, food, groceries, everything is becoming expensive at the same time. That profit will be utilized. It's like in the 90s, McDonald's and KFC was like Happy Meal was worth like 50-70 cents, and now it costs like $1 or something, and back then, and now it costs $7, $8, $10. So this is inflation. The money is losing its value. So even if you made profit on gold, that profit, if you will take it outside and will try to buy something, everything is expensive. So we say what you should do? Buy something. Listen, the only reason people buy gold is that when things become expensive, and certain things lose their value, and certain things value increases in terms of money, the only thing that doesn't increase is the salary of those individuals who work 9 to 5. It's like, wait a second. It's like, that's how economy. Yeah, I am talking about basic stuff because I am educating you guys. I don't know. It's like, yeah, how much time is it left? We have around 18 minutes left for the stock market to open. So in between this time, I'm gonna talk about this stuff. Even Bitcoin is trying to. This a pullback is happening over here. And if you go on a lower time frame, we can definitely see a comeback. Okay, let Bitcoin do its thing, and I want to, yeah, this is better. $15 is better. Because the 5-minute shows you how you can, basically 5 minutes helps you with the entry. 15-minute is more for a direction. Within the 4 hourly, if you want to see that direction, you go for 15, you go at 15-minute time frame. That's how thing is. I'm still trying to get back on the momentum because it's been like more than a week. I haven't consistently streamed, so and there's a lot of work over here. You know, this happens when you trade everything at the same time. This is natural gas. Natural gas is going up, as I previously said over here. Wasn't that hard, was it? Yeah, this is, all these are signals. Actually, this was a premium signal. Even the crude oil was a signal over here, but people never listen, you know. Even the, you know, it's quite strange that even in the premium signals there are guys that don't even take these signals. Not all of them, few of them. I say, and they're like too much obsessed with gold. I don't understand the obsession with gold. People are too much obsessed with gold. They don't want to trade anything except gold. And I kept on saying to them that, listen, grab the money wherever. I mean, if market is giving you an opportunity, grab it. Don't run after it. But no. So what can I do? Nothing for them. They need to realize that they're not children anymore. They're adults. They are mature enough to make their own financial decisions. Stock market will open after 8 minutes. Definitely will go instantly up to 29.15. Yes, a push A really strong push will come. The hardest part was touching 2900. Now is the easy part. It will go above like nothing happened. Stock market is about to open. Let me answer some questions. Guys, if you have any questions, you can message me up. Let me answer some. Yeah, also for those people who are watching right now, I know there are only 2 people watching. This is for you. There is a really nice swing trade even on the GBP JPY, and it is confirmed yesterday after this rejection, after this support hold it to this range, and given the timing that on on Thursday we have GDP and CPI, UK GDP and CPI come in. I think this is just the right time for getting into a long on GBP JPY. Plus today is bank holiday. If you're somebody who's trading Forex, and this is the only free tip I can give. I mean, you guys need to learn how to look at the charts and look for trades. If you are not doing that, I don't know what can make you profitable. Besides that, odd USD is doing its thing, is continuing its upward momentum. Gold is doing what gold does. Fucking with your head, fucking with your heart, fucking with your mind and soul. And now it's heading up, back up again. Easy 29.50, then easy 29.77. I think it's gonna hit 29.77, 57 somewhere during the testimony, and as soon as the testimony ends, it will break above 3000. And I know a lot of people will send me hate messages if that happens. Fuck you, I was on a sell. Fuck you, I was on a sell too here, bro, but it just popped up. I spotted a normal bearish divergence. It just popped up, hit my stop loss, then went down. This thing is nasty. If I buy, it's like without any stress, it goes up slowly. Hey, when it drops down like a, it's like it loses its shit, man. Come on, guys, wake up. And this is not the hardest part. The hardest part starts where you actually have to understand what's happening. People don't like understanding.